business. I am the queen of entrepreneurship, the CEO of Step In for Success Entrepreneur. And honestly, I just need to tell you one thing. You need to hear about one of the fastest growing companies here in North America that's allowing individuals like you and me, they're looking for all walks of life, to start their own home-based business and being able to make as much money as you want, unlimited. So if you're tired of working from home, if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, and sometimes you just want to relax in the bed, you don't feel like going to work, and you can do that. You can do that if you make the right decision by giving me a call today, okay? 843-376-5245, or contact me via Facebook, Katrina Pretty and Petite Williams. I am here to help inspire you, to give you avenues to a better way of living, a higher quality of life. If you want to spend more time with your family, give me a call. Katrina Latrice, thank you.